Hey y'all, Dave Markowitz here, part of the Markowitz Group. Today I'm going to take you on a quick driving tour and video tour of an area in Nashville. It's actually in Davidson County. It's called Stevens Valley. I just wanted to show you some of the amenities it has out here. You have a volleyball court, you have tennis courts, and up ahead we do have swimming pool and a full recreation house. So it's pretty cool, and give you a little from the back side of the community. A lot of custom homes here. They're still building, and I'll take you on a tour. So again, Stevens Valley in Nashville. You guys have a great rest of your day, and let's enjoy this tour. All right now. All right, everyone, let's get rolling into this driving tour of Stevens Valley. So just to let you know a little bit how this all got started. So it is a master plan community. It started to build in 2018. It is located in the rolling hills of northern Williamson County as well as southern Davidson County. So it's in between two counties. It's 20 miles from downtown Nashville and 12 miles from historic downtown Franklin. You can get to it by getting on Highway 100, getting onto Pasquo Rd, and also coming in from Sneed Road West. So Stevens Valley will be offering all different types of amenities for its residents, and because they wanted to make it a very outdoor lifestyle type of area, they're going to have miles of hiking, biking, walking trails. They're also going to have a dedicated area just for a community garden, which has been set up. They will have dog parks, they have multiple pocket parks, playgrounds all throughout the community, tennis courts, exercise courts, 2 swimming pools, which you're seeing right here now as we're turning in, as well as this community clubhouse, which events will be taken care of as well. It's actually being called a community house. So in regards to what's in there, they're going to have a commercial kitchen. They have large porches over there. I think you can't see, it's on the other side. And it's going to be for social gatherings and just events for the community, which is a really nice center point. They also have fire pits, volleyball courts, as you saw when we started the tour, large outdoor areas, and just a whole bunch of different things that go on within the community. They are going to be also developing a town center, similar to the way West Haven is, if you guys know West Haven. That's going to have shops, restaurants, a general store, ice cream stores, office spaces, yoga, exercise facilities, and all kinds of different things to support this community within a community, actually. So since they designed it as community values in mind, they have different types of models in here, and they range from different types of when are you in your life in terms of your lifestyle. So homes range approximately 2,000 square feet on and up to 6,000 square feet. The lots are small, however, that's why there are many parks for you guys to spend outside. They're pretty much less than a quarter of an acre. Pricing right now, you're looking from $1 million to about $2 million. The town center also is going to have townhomes and condo flats ranging from 700 square feet to 2,400 square feet. And developers, let's see, some of the builders that you guys might know is Legend Homes, Sipple Homes, Celebration Homes, Defada Custom Homes. So, you know, some of the builders are in here. And in terms of school district, it's in Williamson County School District, and it's zoned for Westwood Elementary, Fairview, and Fairview High School. So those are the things that are the school district that are part of this community. And as you guys can see, it's a really, really high-end, nice-looking community that's surrounded by valleys. So you're really, you know, especially outdoors, if you love the outdoor life, this is a great community to live in. So, again, if I can help you with anything, I am Dave Markowitz, part of the Markowitz Group. And reach out if you're looking to move from any of these liberal states. As you guys know, a lot of the conservative people are moving into Tennessee and escaping the liberal states. I am here to help you with that as well. So, again, Dave Markowitz, part of the Markowitz Group. Thanks so much for watching again today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye now.